Excel tricks that I learned at Trainer Taga. Episode 1643, formatting subtotal rows. All right, hey, I love subtotals. I talk about subtotals all the time, and I have lots of different tricks for formatting the subtotal rows, but this one is better. So back here on the Data tab, where the subtotal is, we're going to go to the Outline Dialog Launcher, Automatic Styles. This is so cool. Click OK. Are you ready? Data, subtotal. At each change in region, use the sum function. Bam, bam, bam. We've talked about subtotals many times before. I'm going to do it again. Data, subtotal. At each change in product, uncheck replace current subtotals. Click OK. And one more time, data, subtotal at each change in customer. Of course, I previously sorted this by region, product, and customer. Click OK. Now we have a whole bunch of levels of subtotals, but because we checked this box first, Excel created some new cell styles for us. Home, cell styles, row level 1, row level 2, row level 3, row level 4. So let's just choose one of these. I'll right click and modify. So row level 2, I'm going to format that to have a fill of orange. Click OK. Click OK. And now you'll see that all of the region totals are automatically in orange. Let's go back to number 5, cell styles, row level 3. Let's do row level 4, modify. We'll change that to have background color of green. Click OK, click OK. There you go. Look at that. Automatically formatting those subtotal rows. I was pretty jazzed when I saw this because I said, oh, this is going to be amazing. What we're going to be able to do is, now that we know these words for cell styles, row level _1, row level _2, row level _3, I can create a template, book.xltx, that has these predefined, and then when I create the subtotals, everything is going to be great. But there is a massive bug. Microsoft documents this trick, but it's like they don't know that the trick is really there. So let's sort by customer. Click A to Z, data, subtotal at each change in customer. Use the sum function. Click OK. All right, every single time, if the cell style existed beforehand, right here, so it existed before I did the subtotals, then we're going to get a complete black line every single time. Some massive bug. I don't think anyone knew that this trick was there. It's so hidden. Oh, I'm sure some people knew it was there. Certainly Tanya, who showed me the trick, knew it was there. So it's like no one's using this. Somewhere this bug crept in, and now Microsoft, I already know. We're going to tell them, and they're going to say, won't fix. Won't fix. That's my least favorite 2 words in the English language. But we'll see. I'll pass along and see what happens. Still a good trick. Fast way if you have lots of subtotal rows to format those using cell styles. It would just be so much better if it worked all of the time. All right, hey, my thanks to Tanya Kuhn. Tanya is the Video to Brain Excel 2010 Pivot Table star. That video recording, also the creator of Trainer Talk. I want to thank Tanya for inviting me this year, and then I'll be there next year, January 17th through the 21st in beautiful Lucerne, Switzerland. Well, hey, I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another Netcast.